were spoiled for choice today. The boat that we had booked was not a fishing boat, and when we came here we saw that this one was open, so we decided to take this. It's a much better fishing boat. Last time we went to Minas Palos. The waves were really bad over there. It was ranging from 1.6 meters to about 2 meters. So it was up and down. So today we're going to fish between the islands. But we're not so sure what to expect because I can see some fish activity. We have one new rod that we're going to be trying out, but I'll tell you all about that rod as soon as we get out of the water. For now, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the reaction. Hopefully.
Wow.
Okay, first fish of the day. Be careful, there's yay! First fish of the day.
Which fish is that? Croaker.
Helicopter caught in the eye.
Oh, sorry.
Many hours later.
Okay, welcome again. It's been like 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours since we came back, and everybody was sleeping. It was very tiring. I mean, at the top, it didn't look like the waves were really bad. When we threw a bottom camera, the underwater camera, you can see it cruising down there. So actually, I'm surprised that we even caught this fish. I think we caught what? 3? Biggest we caught today was this, and then there's a helicopter fish, which is funny to watch, and then the other stripy fish. I'm forgetting the name of those fish. So we're gonna do a catch and cook. This fish was on ice all this time. We're just gonna measure and see how long it is. That is 41 centimeters. They do get big. From shore, it's not so easy to catch this big croaker fish. But since where we're going, well, if the current isn't really bad at the bottom, you can really catch it. So we're gonna do the cooking part now. The catching part is done. So we're gonna do the cooking. So what we're gonna do now is just fillet the fish, and then we are going to do fish tacos using old El Paso taco dinner kit, the hard and soft ones, but we're gonna be using the hard ones. And then some of the ingredients are here that we're gonna show you as we go. I'm not gonna bore you with the parts of the cleaning and filleting the fish. I mean, we're just gonna go. Put salt on this, but most of the actually all the spices were already mixed together with the flour and stuff like that. So this is just to make it taste. This one has got mostly cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and Simba thinks that we're gonna be. All right. So first question: Does it remotely taste like food?
Yes.
Okay. All right. That's number two. Does it taste like good food?
Yeah, that's why we keep eating.
Healthy food, can't you see it?
You ask her because it's her first time.
What do you think?
It's good food, healthy food. Like, it's
What,
nice.
what about the cooking part, especially the person that did the cooking?
The cooking part, the fish is nice, it's tasty. Even the chef took his time to prepare it. Yeah, tasting nice.
With or without mayonnaise, which one is?
For me with
Me,
mayonnaise.
I prefer with mayonnaise and ketchup.
I haven't tried this.
Mixed mayonnaise and ketchup or just?
For her.
For me, it's mayonnaise and ketchup mixture. Tasting nice. It's a nice
For me,
combination.
just mayo.
Okay, there's another tasting member.
You want some?
Okay. We have a third panelist that is just joined. Simba, what do you think?
Yummy.
You don't like the fish? It's nice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell for more updates.
Yeah.